Welcome to Premath. In this tutorial, we have got these two triangles. One of them is yellow one, ADE, and whose area is 8. And moreover, the side lengths of this triangle ABC are given, as you can see in this figure, as 8, 4, 8 and 3, and now we are going to find the area of this green shaded quadrilateral, and we called it x. So we are going to find the value of x. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this big triangle ABC. And the area of this triangle ABC is going to be the total sum of this 8 plus this x. So the total area of this triangle ABC is going to be simply x plus 8. As we can see in this triangle, height is missing. Therefore, we cannot use this formula, area equal to a half time base times height. Therefore, we will be using this formula, area equal to a half time A times B times sine of theta. And here I'm going to call this angle theta right up here. So let's go ahead and calculate the area of this triangle ABC, and here's our formula. In our case, this A is going to be simply 8 plus 4, that means A equals to 12, and B is going to be 3 plus 8 is going to be 11. So B equals to 11. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So area equal to a half, and A in our case is 12, B is 11, and leave this sine theta as it is. Let's simplify this thing over here. When we simplify this one, that is going to give us 66 sine of theta, and the area of this triangle ABC is simply 8 plus x plus 8 rather. I'm going to write down x plus 8, and let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this yellow triangle ADE over here. And here's our area of a triangle formula. In our case over here, the area of this yellow triangle is 8. This A in our case, this A is going to lowercase a is 8, and this lowercase b is going to be 3. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So area is 8 equal to a half time A in our case is 8, B is 3 sine of theta. We can just leave it alone, and this is going to become 8 equal to, when we simplify this one, that is going to give us 12 sine of theta. Let's divide both sides by 12. So sine of theta turns out to be 8 over 12. If we reduce it, that's going to give us 2 over 3. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and substitute sine of theta equals to 2 over 3 that we figured out in our previous step in this equation 1. And here's our equation 1. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So x plus 8 equal to 66 times sine in our case is 2 over 3. So we got x plus 8, and if we simplify this thing, that is going to give us 44. So that means our x value turns out to be 36. So thus the area of this green shaded quadrilateral turns out to be 36 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.